Hello everyone. I wanted to do a quick video to reply to a question I have received via email regarding the use of Vimbela. This reader asked if it's normal for the skin to become sore after applying Vimbela and if it's normal for smoke to be seen on the area where you applied Vimbela. I'm going to base the response to this question on my personal experience. If anyone has a different experience using Vimbela, you can provide your response in the comment section. So I'll begin by explaining what Vimbela is, how it is made, how it works, and how it is used. You can find all this information on the Immediate Into blog. I will leave a link in the description of this video. Vimbela is a manufactured traditional ointment that resembles petroleum jelly or Vaseline. It is intended for external use. It comes in different colors. I will add a link to the blog article explaining what the different colors represent. Vimbela is made using different herbs, the main herb being Hypoxis rhoperii. Hypoxis rhoperii is also known as Hypoxis hemerocalidea, and it is a short herb that is native to southern Africa, and it grows to a height of about half a meter. It has strap-like long leaves and star-shaped bright yellow flowers. Rhoperii has a number of medicinal properties that make it valuable as a traditional medicinal plant. These include the ability to relieve pain or analgesic properties, antioxidant properties, anti-diabetic, antimicrobial, anticonvulsant, and anti-inflammatory properties, just to name a few. In traditional medicine, Hypoxis rhoperii is used to treat a wide range of conditions, ailments, and diseases, including wounds, skin infections, respiratory infections, stomach disorders, inflammation, diabetes, mellitus, arthritis, hemorrhage, and prostate problems. It's also used as an immune booster and as a tonic for HIV patients. It is used to concoct harmful medicines in sorcery or witchcraft, and it is used as a cabello or a charm or medicine that is used to protect against evil or harm. In making Vimbela, the herb Hypoxis rhoperia, which is the main herb, is mixed with other herbs. The mixture of herbs is ground to fine powder and then mixed with crocodile skin oil. The mixture is then made into a paste that goes through various processings until it resembles petroleum jelly. So I explained how Vimbela is made so you can understand that it is not the same as Vaseline. They might look the same, but they're not the same. Vaseline is made from paraffin wax, while Vimbela is made from plant and animal extracts. So in traditional medicine, there are certain plants that have spiritual significance. Some people say magical properties, but let's just go with spiritual significance. These types of plants are among the most traded plants in traditional medicines in South Africa, and they include things like inyatela, inkomfe, umsuzwana, isidende, just to name a few. And all these plants that I've just mentioned now are used to treat umeko, which is a spiritual illness. In traditional medicine, when a person uses animals or animal extracts, is because they're trying to capture or include the essence of that particular animal in the medicine. In the Izizwe video, I sort of explained that when collecting the graveyard soil to make Izizwe is because the person making Izizwe is trying to gather the remnants of the person who was buried in the grave. So because the when the flesh decomposes, some of the fluids, gases, and biological matter go into the soil. By collecting the soil, you're essentially collecting the person's essence in a way. So that is debatable, but by using the animals, that's what you're actually trying to do. You're trying to capture uh, the essence of that animal, or you're trying to incorporate the essence of that animal in the medicine. Anyways, I digress. So exactly how does Vimbela work? Vimbela is a luminous ointment. It glows in the dark with a blue flame that can be seen around the ointment. It is believed that this blue flame is how the product is able to ward off evil. The flame burns away impurities. So when smeared on the body, it is believed that the impurities that were on the body will be burned by the flame of this ointment. So to answer the question on whether it's normal to be sore after applying Vimbela on the skin, my answer is it's not normal, but it can happen or it does happen. There could be a number of reasons why this happens. The most obvious and logical reason is that you are allergic to the ointment. So start by exploring that first option, that maybe you are allergic to it. The second and most logical reason is that the ointment is reacting to something that is happening in you, to you, or around you. So in the past, I used Ivimbela and nothing would happen to me. But I remember last year when I used Ivimbela because I was hearing frequencies and sounds in my ears, and I would apply the ointment around my ear, and water would just come out of my ear, and my ears would swell up, and because of that bad reaction, my doctor said I should probably stop. I didn't tell the doctor that I had applied Vimbela, but yeah, I stopped using it because of like the bad reaction that I was getting from my ear, which I never used to get, but I started getting last year. I always recommend that a person like cultivates a prayer life before using traditional medicines and to pray about and over the medicine that they use. Like human beings are intuitive, and prayer and meditation helps sharpen that intuition. So basically what I'm trying to say is that there's a reason why you went to buy even Bella in the first place, and only you know the reason, and pray and ask for like guidance as you explore the reasons. The second question regarding smoke when applying Vimbela, I have seen a blue flame around the ointment, especially in a dim or dark room. When you open Vimbela, sometimes you will see smoke coming out of the container. I don't know if everyone sees the smoke. I don't know if everyone sees the flame, but personally, I believe that the flame or the smoke is usually present or visible when the ointment is reacting to something happening in or around you. And the reason why I say that is because I once told someone that I had this ointment that can like produce a flame, and then this person was like, okay, send me a picture so I can see. And then when I went to open the container, there was no flame, there was no smoke, like nothing happened. So sometimes you will see the smoke, sometimes you will not see the smoke, sometimes you will see the flame, sometimes you won't see the flame, sometimes you'll get irritation, sometimes you won't get irritation. I feel like all those things are just like reactions to what is happening in and around you. If anyone has an experience with using even Bella, if you've seen the flame or the smoke, if you've had like a bad reaction or an irritation to using the product, please share your experience. Stay blessed and